Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my video on how to read Arabic text without harakat and translate them. In this video, we'll be looking at 10 Arabic texts. The texts are from Durusul Lughah Book Volume 1, Lesson 1. Let's get started. Alright, here's the first sentence. Take a moment, pause the video if you need to, and think about how would you read it. Got it? Okay, let's read it together. ما هذا؟ هذا قلم. ما هذا؟ هذا قلم. Great job. Now let's translate it into English. What is this? This is a pen. How would you read this text? The correct way to read this text is هذا كلب. This means this is a dog. Next. من هذا؟ هذا طبيب. This means who is this? This is a doctor. Great job. هذا جمل. This is a camel. Next sentence. Great. أهذا كلب؟ لا، هذا قط. Is this a dog? No, this is a cat. Next sentence. Okay, correct. أهذا ديك؟ نعم. This means, is this a rooster? Yes. Okay, next. Correct. أهذا حصان؟ لا، هذا حمار. This means, is this a horse? No, this is a donkey. Now, this sentence. Alright. هذا منديل. This is a handkerchief. What about this? Okay, great. أهذا ولد؟ نعم. Is this a boy? Yes. What about this? Okay, correct. من هذا؟ هذا رجل. Who is this? This is a man. As you can see, reading Arabic text without harakat is not that difficult. Once you know the Arabic alphabet and some basic vocabulary, you can start to read and understand simple texts. I hope this video has helped you learn more about how to read Arabic text without harakat. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Summary. If you have already memorized the words in Lesson 1, Chapter 1 from Durusul Lughah Book 1, I believe you can read this text correctly. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Knowing the vocabulary really helps, so keep building your vocabulary. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum.